Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning and have a wonderful blessed day. Warmly welcome you on HM Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. Today we are working on Chinese walkthrough metal detector gate. We have the all boards of main unit of metal detector walkthrough gate. First of all, connect the power supply terminals on the main board and look, the light is on, but there is no display. Push to on, but no, there is no display. You can see on this small unit and the main display unit. First of all, uh, set the meter on DC 20 volts and check the regulators. Look this, the input voltages are coming, but there is no output. Oh yes, the input voltages are coming 14 point something, and there is no output. Let's see the next ones, and the input is coming and output is okay, fine. Look, the problem is here. Look, the problem is uh, with this uh, regulator. Keep in mind one thing, when the power supply or any function is off, first of all check the regulators and power line. Trace the power line. Look this, this is the regulator for this unit. Input is coming, but there is no output. Look, so we uh, remove this part. With the help of iron you can remove this regulator IC, and you can see the printed circuit board is using as a heat sink. Now with the iron, first of all heat with the little bit soldering, heat with the metal body, and separate this regulator from printed circuit board. So with the help of tweezer you can remove this part. Yes, look this. This is not easy to remove because this is very close to small parts of the board, and you can remove this with the help of tweezer. Look this, use a little bit solder. Look, now we change this part with the new one, and clear all these points on the board first. Now change with this new one. Look this, this is a new part. If I can show you, this is, look, this is 7805. If you can see. Now twist their legs according to your circuit board. Now at first clear all 3 points where you can fix this regulator. Look, With the help of shield wire, using iron, you can clean all 3 points. Use a little bit soldering paste with the shield wire and you can clean all 3 points of the regulator. Look this. Carefully remove the points because very small points near these points, and carefully you can remove this, otherwise can be problem. After removing the solder from the points, you can clean this with motherboard cleaner with the help of brush. Now we fix this one new regulator here like this. Look, now solder their legs. During this process must be careful because other parts are very close to the regulator points, so you can solder the regulator carefully like this. Look, because this circuit board using as a heat sink, so must be carefully this metal body sold with this circuit board, and again clean with a little bit motherboard cleaner, apply on the brush and clean it. Now you can see the part is perfectly installed. Now again attach the power supply terminals with the board and look, press this switch. Look this. Now the on switch is working perfectly alright, and this board display unit is also working perfectly alright. Now as you can see, all the buttons and functions are working good. So this is the video of today. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Keep watching our channel. Till next, Allah Hafiz.